Hello everyone and welcome to EduLive. Today in this video we are having question answers of second chapter of Geography, Physical Features of India for class 9th CBSE students. Okay, let's begin with the MCQ type of question. First question is a land mass bounded by sea on three sides is referred as. Answer is peninsula. Second question is mountain ranges in eastern part of India forming its boundary with Myanmar are collectively called Purvanchal. Third question is the western coastal strip south of Goa is referred to as. Answer is Kannad. Fourth question is the highest peak in eastern Ghats is. Answer is Mahendragiri. Okay. Second question is answer the following question in brief. The first question is what is Bhavar? Answer is the northern plains are generally described as flatlands with no variation in their relief. However, that is not true. These vast plains also have diverse relief features. According to variations in relief features, the northern plains can be divided into four regions. The rivers, after descending from the mountains, deposit pebbles in a narrow belt about 8 to 16 km in width lying parallel to slope of shivaliks. The region is known as Bhavar. Second part is name three major divisions of Himalayas from north to south. Answer is the northernmost range is known as the Great or Inner Himalayas or Himadri. Himachal or Lesser Himalaya, Outer Himalayas or Shivalik. Third part is which plateau lies between Aravalli and Vindhya range? Answer is the Malwa plateau lies between Aravalli and Vindhya range. Fourth part is name the island group of India having a coral origin. Answer is the Lakshadweep island is the island group of India having a coral origin. Third question is distinguish between Bhangar and Khadar. Answer is Bhangar lies above floodplain of the river, older alluvium or old soil and forms the largest part of northern plain. Khadar. It is a newer, younger deposit of floodplains. It is renewed every year. The second part is distinguish between Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. Western Ghats lies parallel to the Western Ghat. They are continuous and can be crossed through passes only. The Western Ghats causes orographic rains while facing rain-bearing winds. The Eastern Ghats lies parallel to the eastern coast. They are discontinuous and irregular. Fourth question is which are major physiographic divisions of India? Contrast relief of Himalayan region with that of Peninsular Plateau. Answer is the major physiographic divisions of India are the Himalayan mountain, the northern plain, the peninsular plateau, the Indian desert, the coastal plains, and the island. The peninsular plateau consists one of the ancient land masses on Earth's surface. It was supposed to be one of the most stable land blocks. The Himalayas are more recent landforms. They form an unstable zone. Fifth question is give an account of northern plains of India. Answer is the northern plains are most recent landforms. The northern plains are formed of alluvial deposit. It is formed by three major rivers system Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra along with their tributaries. The plain being about 2,400 km long and 240 to 320 km broad is a densely populated physiographic division. It is agriculturally productive part of India. The northern plain is broadly divided into three sections. The western part of northern plain is referred to as Punjab plains formed by Indus and its tributaries. The larger part of plain lies in Pakistan. Sixth question is write short notes on following. The Indian desert. Answer is it lies toward western margin of the Aravalli Hills. It is an undulating sandy plain covered with sand dunes. This receives very low rainfall. The average rain is below 150 mm per year. Second part is the Central Highlands. The Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau are the parts of the peninsular plateau lying to north of Narmada rivers, covering a major area of Malwa Plateau is known as Central Highlands. They are wider in west but narrower in east. Third part is the island groups of India. Lakshadweep Island. The Lakshadweep group of islands is composed of small coral islands. It covers a small area of 32 square kilometer. It has a great diversity of flora and fauna. The Piti Island, which is inhabited, has a sanctuary. Andaman and Nicobar Island. The elongated chain of islands located in Bay of Bengal extending from north to south. These are Andamans and Nicobar Island. They are bigger in size and are more numerous and scattered. They are divided into two categories, the Andaman in north and the Nicobar in south.